Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, I'm so excited because there's like 17 more days till Little Nightmares 2 comes out. So I'm so hyped up for it. Go check out Bandai Namco. I don't know how to say their name, Bandai Namco. I don't know. But just go check out Little Nightmares, the DLC, and Little Nightmares 2 when it comes out. It comes out on February 11th. And yeah, so I was earlier making a bunch of fidget toys because I don't have enough allowance to buy any. So I'm going to be rating my homemade fidget toys. So this isn't really homemade, but it's that, a lot of you may know, it's the ring thing. You put it on your arm and then it rolls down. But I rate it a 6 out of 10 because I don't really like it. It's gotten kind of old to me. Number 2 is these ball things. They're kind of like Simple Dimples. I like the crackling sound it makes. And this is not homemade, but I rate these a 7 out of 10 because it's like stress balls and they crackle, but they're just plain and boring. So I don't like how it looks, but it's still kind of pretty. So this is more like a Simple Dimple and this is homemade. It looks ugly, but it's kind of fun. I made another one. This is my first one, and it's way prettier. This one makes more of a crackling noise. And I rate those out of, let's say 9 out of 10, or 8 or 9 out of 10. Could have done better. This isn't really homemade, but it's a kneaded eraser. So it's really a stress reliever. I have other stuff in my drawer. But yeah. This isn't really a stress reliever, but I mean, this isn't really a homemade fidget toy at all, but it does color change, and I like clicking it. But anyways, earlier you may have, if you watch all my videos, you have known about these. So yeah. And I made one of those balloon things. This is homemade. I made one of those balloon things. Also, I rate the pen 2 out of 10, maybe 3. And the kneaded eraser 5 out of 10. And this is really fun. I rate it a 7 out of 10. Earlier I did have these balloon things. The first one popped, and then these started to do well, but when I was making a video earlier, they popped, so it was really cool. They like stick together and you can put them in different shapes. To make them, you just take balloons, blow them up to a small size, and then get a sink, plug the sink, and start putting water in the sink, and then put the balloons in, and add hand soap, and then you wait for 2 minutes, and then you take it out, dry them off, and they stick together. It's really cool. I can make more fidget toy recipes. Not yeah, but like stuff you need to make fidget toys. But yeah, bye guys.